Dropshipping 101, a comprehensive introduction. Welcome to Dropshipping 101. Today, we're diving deep into the world of dropshipping. If you've ever thought about starting an online business, this might be the golden ticket you've been looking for. So, let's kick things off with the basics. 1. What is dropshipping and how does it work? Dropshipping is a retail method where you, the store owner, don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, when a customer buys a product from your store, you purchase it from a third-party vendor and have it shipped directly to the customer. Dropshipping is a retail method where you, the store owner, don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, when a customer buys a product from your store, you purchase it from a third-party vendor and have it shipped directly to the customer. That's right, you won't handle the products directly. This means you can focus solely on selling without the hassle of inventory management, packaging, or shipping. 2. The pros and cons of dropshipping. Like any business model, dropshipping comes with its ups and downs. Pros: lower startup costs. No need to buy bulk inventory. Start your business with minimal investments. Flexibility: run your business from anywhere in the world. Wider product selection. Offer a diverse range of products without the inventory risk. Easy to scale. More orders? Simply process them without added stress. Cons: lower profit margins. Relying on third-party suppliers can eat into your profits. Inventory issues. You don't have direct control, so stock discrepancies can arise. Shipping complexities. Products from different suppliers can complicate shipping rates and times. Customer service challenges. Returns and complaints can become tricky when you don't handle products directly. 3. Who is dropshipping ideal for? Considering the pros and cons, who exactly is dropshipping perfect for? Aspiring entrepreneurs. Those looking to dip their toes into e-commerce without a hefty investment. Busy individuals. If you want a side gig without the 9-5 commitment, this could be your match. Niche market enthusiasts. Use dropshipping to test niche markets without the risk of unsold inventory. Digital nomads. Travel the world while running your online business. All you need is a laptop and a connection. And there you have it. A whistle-stop tour of the dropshipping universe. If you're intrigued, stay tuned for more on this exciting e-commerce model. Subscribe for more insights on dropshipping and online businesses.